what's up guys, it's your girl Kiki. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing this very simple passion twist, and it's very easy. One thing I will tell you, it does take time if you don't have any help. So if you got somebody to help you, then you're good, but if not, it's gonna take you forever. But it came out good. So this is how long they are to me. So yeah, and I like them. I love them. Let me see the pack. It took me about 5 hours to do them, and as you can tell in the next clip, I have a different shirt on because I did it last night, and I didn't finish till 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I had to go to work at 10, so that was not good, but it's okay. You have to work. You have to sacrifice sleep. But yeah, so I love them. It's a temporary style, so it's good for, you know, about a week, something like that. But yeah, so before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a big thumbs up, and turn post notifications so you know when I post all my new videos. And yeah, if you want to see how I did these easy passion twists, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have this one piece right here. I did this already just to test it out, and it looks great, so why not continue? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair that I'm using, and this is the hair that I'm using. It's by Made Beauty, and it's the softest hair. And it's coming to 2 packs, so save money. So yeah, so I got this for $8.99 for 1 pack. So I got 4 packs. So hopefully it is enough. Let's get started. With every piece, I'm using 2 pieces, 2 strands. So I have a crochet needle, and it's very inexpensive. It's only like $1.99. So yeah, you can get that from your local beauty supply store. And I got this from my local beauty supply store too. So you might not have this brand in your store, but something like this, like Marta type hair, soft hair, braided hair, whatever. All right, so what I do first is have it closed, and then get your twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my front. Get your twist up front. What you want to do is go ahead and get your twist. I had to put my mirror up front, y'all, because I cannot see. But yeah, get your twist. And what you want to do is stick this under the rubber band. So under, and I'll make sure I got it through. So yeah, so stick it under, and when you put it under, the hook will unhook. Get the hair and make sure it's even, so make sure it's lined up on the end, and take the hair to the hook, and then close the hook, and then pull it through. And it kind of hurts when the rubber band's tight, but that's good. It's a good sign. So after you pull it through, take it off, and then pull one end out. So like this. Pull one end out, and it'll come out. And then what you'll do is bring it together. So it should go through like this. And make sure they're even. And after that, you take two of each strand, separate it between your hair. So you will take the 2 ends, and then separate your real hair apart, and then you just start twisting. And I think everybody knows how to do that, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. So you just twist like this, and make sure you do it tight. Like this, like so, and just keep twisting till you get the end. And then after you repaired your real hair, you can still continue. It shouldn't be very hard to transition. Just keep twisting. Just keep twisting. Just keep twisting. Keep twisting. This hair is very easy to braid with. It don't get as tangled as like the regular braiding hair. It's just the sausage twist hair, which is already separated for you, so you don't have to do all that separating. So it makes it kind of easier. And it's Marley, it's like a Marley type hair, so it's cute. Well, whatever. So I'm just twisting it. Let me show you guys. And y'all, this is my first time doing it, so I just learned this from YouTube videos. And I already had my hair twisted. My sister just finished twisting it. So if you guys want to see how that is twisted, then just let me know in the comments below, and I will try to do a video. Well, it's not twisted, but it's like in a rubber band. It's a rubber band method. She just parted it and put rubber bands. You can do small parts, big parts, however you want. That's a good size part, medium. But yeah, if you would like to see a video of that, then just let me know below in the comments. So I got to the end. And after, I'm just gonna boil the ends so it can be, you know, tight and secured. So I'm gonna show you guys another one. Get your twist. Put your hook under the rubber band. Make sure both pieces is on the hook. Pull it through. Ouch. It hurts, but it's okay. And pull. And then get the other end. Even it out. Make sure it's even. After you get that piece, you can take the two ends, like I told you before. Your real hair. Separate your real hair into two equal pieces. Take the big hair. Make sure you don't have any other parts into it. Alright, after you get all the pieces you need out the way, start twisting. Alright, so here's a little time lapse of me doing my hair, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Hey guys, so yes, it is the next day, and I am so sorry, y'all. Like, it took me until 5 o'clock in the morning, and I started at 12, and after I was done, I was so tired, so I had to go to work at 10, and y'all, I only had like 4 hours of sleep, and that was like the worst. So yeah, well, I'm here right now after work, and I finally finished. Y'all, it took forever, like I said before, but it came out decent. It's like a temporary style. It's not for very long, so yeah, it came out good enough for what I needed it for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications so you know I post my own videos, and the most important thing, subscribe, become part of the KK gang, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.